In 1986, a group of citizens of Wilmington, Delaware, established the Kalmar Nyckel Foundation. The foundation designed, built, and launched a replica of the Kalmar Nyckel. The modern ship, designed by naval architects Thomas C. Gilmer, Melbourne Smith, Joel Welter, and Ken Court, was built at a shipyard in Wilmington on the Christina River near the original 1638 Swedish settlers' landing site at Fort Christina. She was launched on September 28, 1997 and commissioned on May 9, 1998. The recreation measures 94 feet on deck and 131 feet overall, with a 25-foot beam, a 12-foot draft, and a displacement of 300 tons. The ship is operated and maintained by a volunteer staff under the leadership of a paid captain, boatswain, and chief mate. Volunteers maintain the ship, run the education program, and sail her from port to port. Since 2016, the ship has served as the official tall ship of Delaware. It was adopted as a state symbol for serving as Delaware's seagoing ambassador both at home and at many ports of call, raising awareness of the first state for thousands who see her and come aboard. So if you're ever in the area of Wilmington, Delaware, do stop by. Their education program and exhibits are wonderful, and it is quite awesome to see the volunteers all lending a hand, keeping this special project afloat.
Have been out of commission for about a week. We caught the flu, but you know what? It is 60 degrees, or a little bit better. And this time of year, gotta get out. So we're feeling better, and we decided to take a little walk through the fields. Anyway, we have a find. We have an old button, and we still have this shank still attached. So we are going to go ahead and throw that in the pouch and see what else we can find. Anyway, gang, stay tuned. I have no clue what this was. I don't know if it was a button or something off of something. I don't know, gang, but we'll check it out. Stay tuned for more. Alright, gang, well, don't know what this is, but wow, is it smooth. Even if it is half a coin, I doubt we are going to be able to get anything from it because it is smooth. Maybe also too would be a button like I hit by the plow, like a big dandy button, but it's awful thick for a button. Anyway, gang, of course you know this is going to go in the, I'll probably put it in the oil anyway, and I'll take it home, see if we can get anything out of it. Anyway, gang, stay tuned. Alright, gang, well, maybe about 5 inches down, well, we're not that deep, maybe about 4 inches down, we have not what I was hoping for, but it does look like to be some sort of token. Now, it's very light, by the way. Now, not really knowing what this is, I'll probably just throw it in the water, just to be in the water, throw it in the oil. Yeah, don't go throwing stuff in the water. Anyway, Anyway, we are going to put this in oil and take it home. All right, gang. Well, right on top we have a surface find, and my metal detector wouldn't have found it anyway. And back in the day, I used to be really good to tell you even what age group this spear point would have came from, but I cannot do that anymore. And but you know what? If I had the time, I'll look it up. If not, just be happy seeing it. Anyway, gang, you just never know what you'll find out there. Alright, gang, well, it is finally getting a little bit warmer out here. The overcast has kind of broken up a little bit, which is a good thing. Anyway, hey, I didn't stop to give you the weather report. But anyway, of course you know we probably found something. Now, at this point, I cannot tell if this is a coin or a beat up button. But I'm almost leaning towards a coin. Now this didn't ring up quite 70, it was in the high 60s. So, but you know, it's going to go in the oil, and then we'll clean it up after we get home, and who knows, you'll probably be looking at it now. Alright, gang, well, only about 2 inches down, we have a coin. And this is going to be another mystery coin until we get home, because I don't know how much more I dare to rub it. So, anyway, gang, is this larger than a cent? I don't know. Anyway, gang, stay tuned.
You're so smart. Name 3 different kinds of nuts.
Walnuts and chestnuts.
That's 2.
And forget-me-nots.
Lovely. Da-da-doo, da-dum, da-da-da.